Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, class 1. This is your English class and I am your class teacher Miss Musarrat. Class 1. All of you know that we were reading poem My Cat. So yes, look at this poem My Cat. So before solve the exercise we need to review of this poem. Students, this is Rish and his fur is white. You can see this is very cute cat and it hunts and walks, right? And it eats mouse and fish and it is very smarter and clean cat. Okay, now let's start their outline and dictation words. Well student, first of all mention day and date. After this you will write the outline of this chapter. Outline means that in this poem uh, you will learn about dictation words, words meaning, word sentences, question answers, jumble letter, preposition, ch, sh, th sounds and activity about my favorite pet. Got it? Now students, we are going to read about dictation words. So in this class you can also learn that how to write the words in 4 lines. Students, look at the board. It's poem My Cat. So dictation words number 1 is fur. F-U-R, fur. Students, you can say this word. I have write F-U-R, fur. तो फर आपने जो 4 लाइन्स है इसके 2 लाइन से स्टार्ट करना है. क्लास 1 आपने ज्वाइनिंग हैंड राइटिंग में लिखना है सारा, ठीक है? जैसे मैंने लिखा है एज इट इज़ आपने इसको लिखना है F-U-R, फर. नंबर 2 कैच. स्टूडेंट्स रीड विद मी, C-A-T-C-H, कैच. Number 3 Rish. Rish is a cat name. R-I-S-H, Rish. Number 4 White. W-H-I-T-E, White. Number 5 Hunts. H-U-N-T-S, Hunts. Now look at the next, number 6 Walks. W-A-L-K-S, walks. Students, keep it in your mind. आपने 2 लाइन्स के अंदर ही ज्वाइनिंग राइटिंग में लिखना है. नंबर 7 Smarter. S-M-A-R, smarter, T-E-R, smarter. Number 8 Play. P-L-A-Y, play. Number 9 Mouse. G. Number 10 About. A-B-O-U-T, about. Well students, look at this all work here. Is it clear? These are 10 dictation words and you need to write these words on your notebook and learn these spellings. First of all, in the first page you will write the outline, okay, and the next page you will write the dictation words. So today's task is write the outline and dictation words and learn spellings of these words. Got it? And inshallah after this video I will send you the screenshot of these pictures so that you can easily see the work. Okay students, now see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.